It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, so I will be taking a strategy session how to crack campus placements. So the agenda of this session is, first of all, the industry, the job industry is on very good note, and we can call it as golden phase. Why I am calling this as golden phase, matlab, right? So the job industry is working on very good rate, right? So we have seen this type of golden phase in 1999 to 2002, right? Y2K boom, and we have seen same type of golden phase in 2009 and 12. But right now the present golden phase is 3x more than what you have seen in those years, right? So what are the strategies and how to prepare for this? Everything I'll give in detail, right? I'll take all your doubts whatsoever you ask me. So before start of the session, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE, and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Now, many students were asking me what is the difference between plus and iconic, and what are the advantages when we choose iconic over plus. In iconic, yes, you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? He will be giving you the best study plan, and for each and every topic you will be getting specialized notes and practice sets. Study booster sessions will be available. And the most important part regarding this personal coaches, right? Now, personalized test analysis. Most of the students complain me this, right, sir? We have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to solve the questions. We are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be damn helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed, and your mistakes are identified, and they are boosted and they are rectified so that your score will be boosted. One more advantage when you choose iconic, you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor and educator, so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing. You'll get the best solutions for that. One more advantage when you choose iconic subscription, you will be getting access to Raudra coding classes, so that you can complete all your software courses as a backup for you. Those who are aiming for best placement, right? Whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. In plus, the classes will be on live pattern, which will be in English and Hindi, and the courses are completely structured, right? You can choose your own courses and batches according to your need. Comprehensive course, crash course, right? Rank improvement batches, weekly tests are available, quizzes are available. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 65 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and my guidance, my entire group guidance, right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, right finally to me. So after 10% discount, the price will be 46,728. For 12 months, it will be 32,126, and this is for 18 months. Coming to iconic, it will be 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Right now, yes, those who subscribe to iconic, you will be getting the best physical notes written by topmost educators in India from July first week. Do try to use this opportunity and try to subscribe for iconic. And again, as I said there, we have extended our offer up to 30th April, where you will get 20% flat discount when you use my code NLN10. And this offer is available for all the categories on Unacademy one. So do try to subscribe, those who are serious. Yes. Chalo, let's go for our discussion. So see, first of all, most of you are college going students who apply for campus placements, ma'am. So what does company expect from you? So companies will always expect how much good basics you have in the subjects right now what you are learning in your engineering curriculum for a fresher. For a fresher, they will always expect this point only. So how much good strong basics you have in the subjects what you are learning right now in your engineering curriculum. So if someone comes to you and say that do that course, do this course, XYZ course, invest some money on that, right? Never ever trust them. Companies will not expect anything which is apart from your engineering curriculum. If you are an experienced guy, yes, I accept it. You have to be dynamically equal with the market environment. If you are a fresher, they don't expect all these things. They expect only one thing, enough good strong basics in your subject there. So the first point, so enough good strong basics. So this is the first criteria that you should have. Right? And one might get a doubt, sir, how my engineering subjects will be helpful to get a very good placement. Let us suppose, I'll give a simple example here. Irrespective of the branch, even though if you are from food technology or biotechnology, you have to learn this topic called probability and statistics. Am I right or wrong in your mathematics? So most of you guys will be learning in your GATE examination also probability and statistics. Now, those who have enough good strong basics, I'm speaking about only basics one, not deep down knowledge. I am stressing the point called basics. Those who have enough good strong basics in this subject, plus I'll add one branch to this, right? Let's suppose take if you are a mechanical engineering student, you will be learning this subject called operations research in your third year or final year as an elective. So if you have an elective, don't miss it, right? Take it, which is a continuation subject to probability and statistics. Now those who have enough good strong basics in this subject, basics, trust me, you have an offer right now ready for 8 lakh per annum immediately. Sir, why? Which companies will recruit you? By Deco, right? These are the two subjects which are base for data analytics. So each and every data analytics companies are focusing on this, right? Apart from the coding programs, right? R programming, these are the basics, right? So next 25 years will be big data, right? Next 25 years will be big data. Every company will be using this data for their decision making. So I'll give a simple example, Mandu. You know, Hyderabad is famously known as analytics hub. In and around Gachibowli itself, there are more than 200 to 230 companies which are operating on analytics only. Perceptive analytics, metrics for analytics, many companies are there. These companies are literally craving for the students who have enough basics in these subjects, right? Of course, right? You might get it over, sir. What about electrical ECE guys, right? And CSE guys. Let us suppose take if you are a CSE guy. So there is a topic in operations research called linear programming models. For CSE guys, you will be learning a topic called dynamic linear programming models, which is 5x tougher than the linear programming models. In operations research, we learn only the mathematical part. But for CSE guys, you will be learning the mathematical part and also the coding part. So you are automatically superior than this, and you need not worry regarding that. If you are an EC guy, yes, you should, you will be learning a topic called EEC guys will be learning network analysis, digital electronics. Now these are the concrete based subjects where it is 5x creamier and tougher than this operations research, and you need not worry regarding that, right? So this is one such example, right? What I say, right? Of course, right? If you have deep down knowledge in this subject, I am speaking about if you have basics, this is the package. If you have deep down knowledge on this subject, and your package can go up to 40 LPA also. Sir, our minors and honor courses are college and mandatory to get? It is not mandatory, Gautam. It is not mandatory. But having an extra thing when compared to your friends, right? If you are more strongly padded up than your friends, automatically it will be an advantage for sure. So before going to that, what are the basic requirements that you should attain in order to crack any examination, right? In order to have a very good placements, what are those, right? So I'll speak about this basic requirements. So before going to basic requirements, first of all, what topics you should prepare in the first place to crack these placements. So in the first place, for the first and second rounds, non-technical rounds, you have to prepare for all the topics, but start with these 5 topics. Make sure that you are so strong in these 5 topics, so automatically most of your examination will be covered with these questions. Venn diagrams, permutations and combinations, probability, averages, mixtures, allegations, verbal deductions. So I have dealt all these courses on YouTube channel in the name Naukri series. So those who are serious, those who want to crack the examination, you can do try to see this, which will be damn helpful there. Freshly I have done, or otherwise you can search with this name, with my name on YouTube or on Kreatryx channel. You will get the entire videos of this and you can watch all those for free. Right? This is for non-technical. Let us come to technical, right? What are the technical things that you have to know? Right, technical, as I already said that for ECE guys, you have to be strong on network analysis and digital electronics, right? For any examination to crack these two topics, you should be strong. Network analysis and digital electronics. So for this, we have an extraordinary educator called Bhim Shankar sir. You just follow him, right, for this topics there. And Bhim Shankar sir also deals with computer organization, C basics. Am I right or no? Yes, he will be dealing computer organization, C basics, right? So do try to watch his classes. And we have some exceptionally good educators for computer courses, right? Sanchit Jain sir, Venkat Rao sir, right? Sanchit Jain, Venkat Rao sir. So what I say is these educators have done courses right from basic C, C+, to the highest level coding programs, right? Python coding, AML also they have done there. All these courses are completely free, available on our YouTube channels and also on their Unacademy platform. You can watch all those courses done by these educators, which will be damn helpful for your placements for sure. Trust me regarding this, right? You can watch on the app by Unacademy app by searching their names. So my name, right, Sanga NLN Sharma or NLN10, you can. So you can watch all these videos, right? So you can watch all those videos on our YouTube channel Kreatryx. And also see here my videos, right? This is not on Kreatryx. This you can watch on Uncode YouTube channel, our channel called Uncode. So which will be damn helpful. And again, one more point, ma'am. So some colleges, there will be very good placements. I mean, many companies come to their colleges and recruit. For some colleges, companies might not come to the college to recruitment. And of course, right now, everybody can compete for dream company placement. There is no bar that you are an IITN, INITN, IIITN, CGPS, backlogs. There are no such barricades for top companies. If you have enough subject in it, if you have enough stuff in you, yes, you can crack premier placements for sure. So those who are aiming to crack for 10, 11, 12, 13 extraordinary placements, right? Unacademy has an extraordinary wing. So Abdeko, right, you are downloading the Unacademy learning app and watching our videos, right? So this is re-level by Unacademy. Their punchline is get job in 15 days, right? So it will be conducting a free test. So do try to write free test before preparing, and then, right, based upon the score, you will be called for the interviews, right? Get your dream job in 15 days, right? Select your convenient date. Based upon the score, whatever the company is enrolled on re-level, you can, with the scorecard, you will be called for interviews for all those companies. It is for technical and also core jobs, right? Technical matlab software jobs, IT jobs. It is for core jobs also. Let us suppose like Gautam got placed for 14 lakh for a XYZ company. So what company expected? How did Gautam perform? Everything will be given as a testimonial on the website. Go to the website and enroll for re-level. Those who are aiming for very good placements, ma'am. This is my purest suggestion, right? So trust me regarding this. Literally, this is the best thing happened there. Right? And done. Come to the next one. So what are the basic requirements that you should have? So the point here is, you should have, I am stress again and again saying the same point, you should have very good basics. Plus, I'll add one more point to this. I'll not write it separately. You must have a very good logic or trick. Ab dekho, I didn't wrote it separately, right? Right? And again, come again, see here, only logic or trick you cannot remember for a long time, right? You have to extract your logic from the basic itself. right? So if you extract the logic from the basic itself, automatically you can remember that logic for so long time, right? And come to the next point there. This is the first point. I'll explain a question also, right? Come on to the next point. So ab dekho, love towards your subject. So this will help you. This will help you to explore a lot. So if you are not interested that much in learning, right, you cannot explore more. And the last point, ma, right? So how to deal a question? How to deal a question? You know the basic, you know the logic, you actually love the subject, but ab dekho, you don't. So for competitive examination, right? For competitive examination, you need how to approach for the question, right? You will not be given for 10 to 12 minutes for each and every question. 2 minutes, automatically you have to solve the question there, right? Arey, kya bhai, right? So you don't have any work to do, right? Already my class for 8 students tha, and one more your student 9th one, and you're spamming here, right? Done? Chalo, right? Or a class jao and then fight there, okay, where there are very good students, not here, okay. Coming to the next one, right? Let's see some questions. How to deal the questions, ma? How to deal the questions? I'll show you. Now see how logic will help you. How logic will help you to solve a question. How strong basic will help you to solve a question. Closely observe this question. Your friend's cap is in the shape of a right circular cone of base radius 14 centimeter and height 26.5 centimeter. The approximate area of the sheet required. The approximate area of the sheet required to make 7 such caps is the question asked. So okay, right now see here how logic will help you to solve a question and how to extract the logic. I'll give you the both procedures, right? So first of all, can anybody say in the comment section box, is right circular cone a 3D object or a 2D object? In the meanwhile, I'll draw the diagram there. Can anybody say in the comment section box, is a right circular cone a 3D object or a 2D object? Now this is a cone. We'll draw the cone. Right. Now this is your height of the cone and this is your radius of the cone. Right. Now see here, this is your height of the cone. This is your radius of the cone. Now, is it two-dimensional object? No. Ab dekho, this is your slant height of the cone. When you can say 3 dimensions of an object, then automatically is it a 3D object or a 2D object? Slant height, I'll represent it as L. Ab dekho, this is a 3D object. Cone is a 3D object and you are asked to find out area. So I'll write down 3D mensuration. So the topic name is 3D mensuration. So your cone, frustum, pyramid, prism, solid cylinder, hollow cylinder, right? A sphere, hemisphere, all these are 3D objects there. You have learned this in geometry also. Now, the first thing, you should be strong on the basics. Matlab, you have to learn the formulas and their derivations. So as this is a strategy class, I don't want to deal all those derivations. I'll finally write down the formula. Then we will extract a logic there. So in 3D mensuration, as we are asked to find out area, I'll write down like this: total surface area of sphere. Can anybody give me the total surface area of the sphere? It is 4 pi r square. Okay. So fine, done. Now can anybody give the next one after sphere? So I'll write down one more example: solid cylinder. Yes, it is solid cylinder. Solid cylinder का area बताओ भाई. It is 2 pi r square. Jones बोलो भाई. नौकरी जरूर आ जाएगा if you say the formula right. 2 pi r h. Come to the next one. It is, let us, as we are dealing with cone, we will see with cone. Now what is the cone total surface area? Pi r square plus pi r l. So देखो Gautam prepared very well. He prepared each and every basic and derived each and every formula. So he had made an observation. What is that observation? Sir, every area of 3D object and volume of the 3D object has a common term called pi. So he extracted this logic. Pi is nothing but equal to 22 by 7, which I can write down as 2 into 11 by 7. Yes. So on the examination day, kya hua, right? He forgot the formula due to some tensions here, some pressure, whatsoever. He not feeling well. He forgot the formula. But during his preparation, he remembered a logic there. Kuch bhi, whatever the formula, this formula contains damn surely pi. Say, bolo, by Hindi bhi bolunga, right? Whatever the formula, right? This formula contains pi value, 2 into 11 by 7. And this will be your answer. Ab dekho, your answer has to be zarurli, has to be divisible by 11. Fantasy, I am speaking in Hindi also, right? My Hindi or English, sabhi bolunga, right? Don't worry. Now see here, your answer has to be divisible by 11. Your 7 has to be multiplied with answer. Two basic number I couldn't consider for division. So they go, just see the options there. Which option is divisible by 11? 6750 is not divisible by 11. 7280 is not divisible by 11. 8860 is not divisible by 11. 9240, is it divisible by 11? Yes, it is divisible by 11. How many of you got this idea there? Now see here. Did I used, मैंने कुछ भी एक भी पॉइंट नहीं यूज किया क्वेश्चन पर, कुछ डेटा, राइट? Did I use any single number in the data given in the question? No, but I have solved the question there. Now this is the way to extract the logic to solve a question here. Now this one logic there. Now the second point, as I said there, logic plus basic. The second point, मैंने क्या बोला, right? Love towards your subject will help you to explore more. ये क्या सर, love towards your subject, right? I already love my subject, so in what way this will be helpful? So I'll give a simple example here. अब देखो, right, when you go to an ice cream shop, now how many of you will prefer cone ice cream and how many of you will prefer cup ice cream? Anybody in the comment section box? How many of you will prefer cone ice cream and how many of you will prefer cup ice cream? Let us suppose I will prefer cone, right? Let us see. So I'll keep ice cream cones in the right. So this is the first ice cream scoop, second ice cream cone, and the third ice cream cone. Now closely observe there. I'll take the same ice cream in a cup. If I take the same ice cream in the cup, so see here, this is the first ice cream scoop, second ice cream scoop, third ice cream scoop. Now closely observe there, all the three ice cream scoops in this cup will have same radius, but will the cone ice cream spheres will have same radius? No, this is the lowest. Now this is little bit higher than this one and this is the largest one. Now that's why this is a business technique. आप एक ice cream shop जाओ, right? Your cones will be made so attractive and your cups are made dull, so that you will attract to the cone and you buy cone ice cream. In the tip of the cone there will be no ice cream. So if this ice cream shop walas sell ice cream in cones, they will get more profit because they will sell less ice cream. If they sell more cups, automatically their profitability will be decreased because they are selling more substance of ice cream. So this is a business technique. And again, there is a mathematical logic also in this. What is that mathematical logic? अब देखो, the radius of the ice cream scoops, the radius of the ice cream scoops in this cone, of course 3, if it is 4, 5, whatsoever, will follow geometric progression. The middlemost ice cream sphere will be in geometric progression with the outermost and innermost ice cream spheres. This is the logic there. So I have dealt all these logics in the previous classes. So do try to watch my sessions, which will be damn, trust me, it will be damn helpful for you. Done. So this is one more logic there. How many of you got this? Perfectly done. So chalo, I'll show you one more logic there. Now this is the question there here. I'll give you 2 minutes. Let us see how many can answer this without using formula. I'm giving even 2 minutes, but I can answer this question in 10 seconds. So let's see how many can answer this. Let us see how many can answer this. I will be giving you 2 minutes, but I can answer this question in 10 seconds. Any answer? It is D. So how do you decide that it is D? So the concept here is, so already Gautam answered it. So what I will do is, I'll come up with the answer there. Now observe this. Now whatsoever, there is a simple logic there. Let us suppose take Gautam gave me 1000 rupees and Gautam gave to another person also 1000 rupees. So Gautam gave it to me for compound interest. Gautam gave it to his friend for simple interest. So who will give back more money? Is it through compound interest or is it through simple interest? You always get more money through compound interest, right? As I have dealt in number systems in Naukri series, you can easily understand. Your compound interest value will always be greater than simple interest. Now, those who know this logic there, automatically they can crack the question fantastically, right? If compound interest for a certain sum at 3% for 2 years, 3% for 2 years is 203. Then what would be your SI? At least I gave how many rupees did I took from Gautam, but in the question itself there is nothing given there, right? So therefore your compound interest value has to be damn surely greater than simple interest. Observe the options there. 210 greater, 207.5 greater, 213.3 greater, and your option number D 200 is less than C. Now you closely observe there, how much time did I take to solve this? Not more than 10 seconds. Means if you are strong in basics, yeah, you can literally do wonders. That I can damn surely say this. Did I use compound interest formula? No. Did I use simple interest formula? No. But I have solved the question there. So that's the logic. Okay. So this is what strong basics will help you. So before going to solve any question, don't immediately rush and write down the formulas and solve it. Read the question, read the options, and then decide to do it, right? How to do it. This is what, right? How to deal a question. My third point, how to deal a question. How to deal a question. Now let's see one more thing. One more question I'll give you. This was asked in your GATE examination only, ma. I got this question there. Once observe this question there, I will solve it. Three friends R, S and T shares toffee from a bowl, it seems. Ab dekho, there is a bowl and we don't know how many toffees are there. Let us suppose that there are X number of toffees. R took 1/3 of the toffees. So let us suppose take the first person. R took 1/3 of the toffees means X by 3. But returned 4 to the bowl. So in this X by 3, he gave back 4. So from the total number of toffees in the bowl X, I will subtract what R has taken. So do we know the remaining number of toffees in the bowl? No. You don't know the remaining number. Arey yaar, you don't know the original number. You don't know the remaining number. Then how will you proceed? Right? This is where the logic there, right? So you have to read the question, read the options, and then you decide it, right? So see, normally what people do, textbook approach is, you continue with number system only, Gautam, right? You continue with number system only. So what people do is they substitute 38 in X and they will find out the answer. If it goes wrong, they'll go with 31. If it goes wrong, they'll go with 48. If it goes wrong, they'll go with 41. In this scenario, you will be losing 6 to 7 minutes to solve a question there. So that's the problem there, right? You cannot invest 7 to 6 minutes for a question in an examination. So you have to find out a way how to deal the question. Now you closely observe, they read the entire things, come to the last part. T took half of the remainder but returned back 2 back into the bowl if the bowl had 17 toffees left. How many toffees were originally there in the bowl is the question asked. Now they go, by the time T kept his hand in the bowl, let us suppose take there are Y number of toffees in the bowl. What T has done, T took half of the remainder, means Y by 2. So how many he returned back? So in this Y by 2, he gave back 2. From the total number of toffees Y, let us subtract the things what T has done. So how many toffees were left over? Yes, you got a concrete equation there. 17 toffees were left over here. Yes, perfectly done. Done. Now you closely I can solve it. 2y minus into y minus y minus into minus plus 2. So this 2 will be multiplied. I'll write down plus 4, 17. This 2 will go to this side, will become 34. So my y value is nothing but equal to 30. I got the answer there. So this is 30. Let's come to the next one. Yes. What? Let us suppose take by the time yes kept his hand into the bowl, there are p number of toffees. What yes has done? Yes took 1/4 of the toffees and returned back 3 to the bowl. From the total number of toffees in the bowl, I will subtract this what S has taken. So the remaining number will be this remaining number will be the starting number of T. Starting number of T is 30. Remaining number of S will also be 30. Now calculate this 4p minus p minus into minus plus 3, and this 4 has to be multiplied there 12, and your answer is here. This 4 will come to the side 120. So 3p is equal to 108, and your p value is nothing but equal to 36. Now they go by this is 36. So the starting value of S is 36. Matlab ending value of S will also be 36. Yes, perfectly. So calculate this 3x minus x minus into minus 4 will be plus 4. This 3 will be multiplied there plus 12. So 36 3s are, is it 108? So finally 2x is equal to 96. Now what will be your x value? X value is equal to 48. I got the answer perfectly. And see here my x value is 4. So see here I have done one. So if you start from first to last, you have to do 3 iterations. If I start from last to first, only 1 iteration, 2 minutes, I have solved the question C. Done. Perfectly done. So this is the question asked in GATE ECE INMT paper. Now let's solve the same type of question which was asked in CAT. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Sorry for the interruption here. Now, anybody got this answer there? Same type of question. There is no change in solving the question there. You can follow the same approach. A shop stores X kg of rice. The first customer buys half this amount plus half a kg of rice. Let us suppose so this is the first customer. By the time the first customer entered the shop, there is X kg of rice, it seems. In this X kg of rice, he bought half of the amount X by 2 plus half an amount. Am I right or wrong? Plus half kg. Now from the total plus extra, either it is not minus, he bought extra. From the total quantity, I will subtract what first customer has bought. Do you know the remaining value? No, I don't know the remaining value. So immediately read the entire question and see where to start the question. So I will write, so there are three, then the third customer, right? Then the third customer also buys half the remaining amount plus half a kg rice. Thereafter, no rice is left in the shop, it seems. This is the point, the crux point there. So see here, by the time the third customer entered the shop, let us suppose there is p kgs of rice. In this third customer, what he has done, bought p by 2 plus half from the total amount, total quantity p. I will subtract what third customer has bought, p minus. So what is the amount there? Zero quantity of rice is left over. This, you got a concrete equation from the last step, right? Right, so automatically try this, right? So this, the denominator will be 2p minus p minus 1 is equal to, this 2 will go to the right hand side, will become 0. So my p value will be equal to 1. Perfectly done. Let's come to the next one. I'll write down in black ink. Second customer. Let us suppose by the time the second customer entered the shop, there is y quantity of rice. And this y quantity, y by 2 he bought plus half. The third customer, same thing, y by 2. So from the total, I will subtract the same thing there. Y minus, so what will be the, so the leftover value will be the start over value. This p value is 1, so this will be 1. So 2y minus y minus into plus 1 will be minus 1. This 2 will go to right hand side, will become 2. So my y value will become 3. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. So see here, this last value y will be become this 3 here. So what will be the value there? 2x minus x minus 1 is equal to 6. So x value will be equal to 7. So automatically see here, your x must be between in the range of 7. Which options will satisfy this? Automatically your second option will satisfy this. And the same type of question was asked in one campus placement examination. So in the same question was asked in one more examination by Wipro. Same pattern question, right? Chal. So we will solve this question, right? Let us see how many can solve this, right? So again, extracting a logic from equations. This is one more the best question. Try this. Gautam, any answer for this? 20 seconds more, beta. Anyone? Easy question now. Right, observe the question there. The cost of 3 hamburgers, I'll write down this. 5 milkshakes plus 1 order of fries, so 1F, is nothing but equal to of a certain food restaurant is $23.50. At the same restaurant, the cost of 5 hamburgers plus 9 milkshakes plus 1 order of fries is nothing but equal to 39.50, it seems. What is the cost? I'll write down there. What is the cost of 2 hamburgers, 2 milkshakes plus 2 fries is nothing but equal to how much? This is the question asked. So you must not solve using huge number of equations and then solving is not at all acceptable here. Now how to solve this question there then? Now they go, is there any logic to make this very easily? Waiting for your answer there. I already gave you 2 minutes regarding this. So is there any logic to make this very easy one? Huh? 3 hamburgers. Waiting for your answer. Waiting for your answer. What shall we take down there? Is it 9 milkshakes? Yes, it is 9 milkshakes only here. 3 plus 5 will become 8. 5 plus 9 will become 14. 1 plus 1 will become 2. In what way this will be helpful? No, this will not. In any way, it will not be helpful. Yes, I can do like this. Observe there, I will multiply this with 2. So this becomes 6 hamburgers. I will subtract this equation completely. So what will happen? 6 hamburger minus 5 hamburger will become 1 hamburger. 2 into 5, 10 milkshakes minus 9 milkshakes will become 1 milkshake. Now 2 into 1 will be 2 fries. 2 fries minus 1 fry will become 1 fry. So 23, 46, 47. Am I right or wrong? So 23.5 into 2, 47 minus 39.50 is nothing but equal to 7.5. Am I right or wrong? Yes. 7.5. Now see here, I got a best equation there. This is what your logic there, ma. Multiply this with 2 and automatically you will get your respective answer there. How many of you got this logic there? And automatically your answer is 15. Got the point there? In the same logic, so this is a little bit higher level logic there, which was asked in the examination. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. Try this. So this is where, right? So I'll do very good logics in coming classes, right? Every class I'll take 2 to 3 questions and I'll do it for you. Try this question once. Any answer for this? Shall I do this? Now see here. At the beginning of 2011, I'll write down the point there. At the beginning of 2011, the population of a city is measured and found out to be a multiple of. So if I take multiple, matlab it will be x. I'll take a multiple. So it will be 10,000 x. At the end of 2011, so end of 2011, the population of the city increased by 2007% it seems, as compared to the end of previous year. So 2010 ka previous year, so 10,000 into x, I mean x, so this will be the final value, 1 plus 7 by 100. Now end of 2012, the population of the city decreased by p percentage as compared to the end of the previous year it seems. So this is the end of the previous year, means end of the previous year is 10,000 x into 1 plus 7 by 100. This will be the final value now. So देखो by into 1 minus p by 100 as compared. So this is the final value. If the population at the end of 2012 is 20758, this is equal to 20758 it seems. So I'll write down the value there. 20758 is equal to 10,000 x into 100 plus 7, 107 by 100 divided by 100 into 100 minus p divided by 100. So finally this 100, this 10,000 will get cancelled. So 20758 divided by 107 is nothing but how much? 194. 1s are 194s are. So automatically finally the equation becomes like this. 194 is equal to 100 minus p. And you are asked to find out p minimum value must start with 1, 2, 3, right? Automatically see here p minimum value ends with 3 because 100 minus 2, 98. 98 is not at all divisible. I mean 194 is not at all divisible by 198. 98. So 97. Yes, 97 2s are 194. Yes, your p value is 3. So see here, simple. If you can write down the equations, now you can solve the questions easily, right? So this is what the techniques to solve the questions here. Do try to solve this type of questions and try to follow my classes, which will be damn helpful for you. And again, right, as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock combats, which happens on Unacademy. You can unlock free classes on Unacademy app using with my code NLN10. Do try to join my free classes where the interaction level will be 10x more than on this YouTube channel. And the price for plus for 12 months will be 32,126 after discount when you use my code NLN10. This is for 18 and 24. Coming to iconic, it is 55,886 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months. And this is for 18 and 24 months. And 4 more hours left over to grab this incredible opportunity of flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. It's not 10%, it is 20%. Do try to use this, and you need not wait anyone to help for your doubt here. If you have a doubt, Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. Just click the picture of that question, upload in doubts and solutions, select your preferred language, and you will get the video solution within minutes. And as I said there, right, the interaction level will be 10x more than on YouTube channel. It will be a gamified and electrified environment, right? Do join our special class features. Join our special class. I'm conducting quizzes on it. And again, do try to join our Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding my classes. And please do try to hit the like button, share my classes so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the Telegram group, and hit the bell icon to get the updates. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.